Hello guys, today I would like to tell you about AutoCAD, and I will tell about what is AutoCAD and history of AutoCAD and advantage of AutoCAD. Yes. And now I'm going to tell you about slide and AutoCAD. What is AutoCAD and this AutoCAD, history of AutoCAD and history of AutoCAD. A lot of the meaning that I write on slides. Yes, and for the cat, the meaning that I research from the books on a license in cat. The world of the cat is made up and actual autos and the logo of the companies. It means that the auto, the name, it means that the name logo of the company autos, and the cat it means that the computer aid design or drafting. It means that for the drawing or sketch follow the software. AutoCAD is the 2D drafting and 3D modeling software, and it is developed by Autodesk companies in the USA. That you see like this. Autodesk is an USA-based company. It is widely used in industrials for 2D drawing and 3D modeling. In another way, we can say that AutoCAD is design code that perform with the help of the computer. This is the AutoCAD. The picture is show about AutoCAD 2D, and it means that the drafting 2D. Yes, and a lot of other meaning that I say like this. And on the other hand, it means history of AutoCAD. In 1982, John Walker and 12 other program who 5900 to start Autodesk. I began to work on several computer applications. The first be complete with AutoCAD software until until 2023. Here you can see 2023 is yes, AutoCAD software was launched by Autodesk company in December 1982 by John Walker developed Autodesk. And then when they use in 1982 until income in India in 1988, 1988 in India in use. The first version of AutoCAD, you can see the L1, Aster, that L2, L3, L4. Yes. In 2000, Autodesk line a version of AutoCAD 2000. After that, 2001, 2002, so on. This time we have a last version 2023 which line on 28 March 22. You can see this the CAD that developed by last version, yes, last version 2023. And for me, I use AutoCAD 2024. Yes, the same in 2023, and from the tool that we use. And then I'm going to tell you about this slide advantage of AutoCAD. When we know about AutoCAD, or when we can use, or we can draw, or we can study AutoCAD already. Advantage that you want draw. It means that draw to scale and easy layout and view, draw easy and draw accurate. exactly. It means that the clearly, the clearly or absolutely, yes. And then make a change easily and reuse write out error. It means that when uh, easy when we draw a plan, we can change fast, yes. And then identity design problem. It means that we can find IDs. ID it means that identities or the point that you want to see. And then calculate material quantity and for production, and then store and transfer data easy safely. Save time and mean save time and money when we know about AutoCAD. And then I want to tell you about this list. Company use AutoCAD and method share and a customer list. It means that list use AutoCAD all in campus, all in the world. Or CAD market share in in the present. SolidWorks, yeah, SolidWorks. You can see the color. Yeah, the color is 18%. Autodesk Inventor, other semi NH, PD0, and a CAD here, Solid 8 that we can use HVAC about the mechanical, yes. You can see the graphs, yes, this is the graphs. And then this is the picture, the engineering showed about your project, our project, or the project, yes. This is the picture last tracing and before the tracing the sketch by hand our hand when they study your they when they study about the teacher in room, teacher give sketch by hand. No, it means that not have software CAD. This is pictures. This is Autodesk. It means a company Autodesk and Autodesk AutoCAD, and you can see the like this. This the picture before. And AutoCAD job requirement. We get a money offer for hire and engineering or architecture on the base of AutoCAD. When we know about AutoCAD, yes. When we study AutoCAD, we have get a lot of the work in a company or other company in other country. And you can know about you also about what is the AEC collection, Autodesk Architecture Engineering and Construction collection. The Autodesk AEC collection give designers, engineers, and construction professional tool and integrated workflow to create with easy to explore what possible and build with confidence. This is the meaning that when we know about the cats. This is the picture of the John Walker in the USA. You can see the version and 2 and 3. This is the full version or the shortcut version that you can see this picture. This is the L1 and 2 L3 that you can see the picture that I saw slides. Okay, this you, and then we can know about the common AutoCAD, or you can. Okay, I want to show you about tool AutoCAD. Okay, tool in the code. It means that we can know about the public. Public it means that public printing or public transmit and You can know about the import and export and cloud storage, and you can storage and block and plate can know. And then when we go to study about AutoCAD, you have to learn this tool. It's important like this. This here tool get tool is start drawing. So about open sheet or get other online explore, and then you can see accessory that I showing in here. And then you can know about the AutoCAD file format when we sell, or when we sell for the customer, or when you sell give your friend, or give customer that they want to give a source AutoCAD. You can know about the file DWG and DWT templates. DWT template, it means that for we go take it, go to set the layer, set the function that I have already. And the DWG, you can know about the file DWG for CAD. If you sell not DWG, you can know CAD. You cannot open the file CAD. Yes. And then I'm going to tell you about the slide again. Slide continues. Okay, we have discussed about the whole interface of GUI and WUs. Okay, I mean that when we see the tool like this, we call the application menu bar. This is menu bar. Yes, it's menu bar. Okay, menu bars, and then quick access toolbar. This is the quick access toolbar like this that I draw the red box. You can see quick access toolbar to access tool quickly. And then you can see AutoCAD. When you open AutoCAD, you can see drafting annotation. Yes, drafting annotation. Drafting annotation, you can they call when I draw the right. Okay, this we call the workspace. This is the call workspace. This I draw the red box. Yes, in which we can work switch in 2D or 3D. This I here I draw here. And you can know about the custom quick access toolbar. Why we know about this? It means that you can customize your toolbars. It's simple. You can show about tool that you want to show about the toolbar that you want to use. Yes. Yes, and then I show you this, and then you can about title bar. This is how we call a title bar. You can see on the slide. This title bar Autodesk 2021 title bars, and then you can see the this share bar. Share bar, it means that when we type about the comment in line, we can show it can show about the meaning that you want to know. And then you can know about the information bar. Yes, information bar. This you can add your mail to Autodesk. Easy as the student Autodesk. We can log into ID in Autodesk website. Yes. Tab it means that the panel and a ribbon. This we call the tab like this. You can see. And notes, view, manage, input is called tabs. Yes. and then I show you about the ribbon again. Ribbon, it means that the toolbar is the how the common rectangle move. This we can call a ribbon. Yes, ribbon all like this. And then you go to panel, the same panel, which connect to make or modify the drawing like this. Application status bar in a below, you can below, it means that the modes we call the all this we call application status bar. Yes. Command prompt bar, you can put this command that you want to use this. Okay. And then I will tell you last time, we have this car coordinate system how it's. Yes. Okay, and thank you for your watching. Goodbye.